How to turn off personalized ads on your Google account. What's up everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step method on how you can easily turn off the personalized ads on your Google account. But before getting started, be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your phone settings, scroll down until you see Google Services, just tap on it. Make sure that you are logged into your correct account, and then you just want to head over to manage your account. Once you do that, you will open up your Google Account Manager, and on the top you will see different tabs like personal info, data and privacy, security, people, and payments. Go ahead and tap on data and privacy. Scroll down a bit, you will see the history settings. So as you can see, the web and activity history is on. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find personalized ads. And on my ad center, if the personalized ads on Google is turned on, tap on this option right here, tap on the drop down, and then if you want to turn it off, just tap on turn off like this, and your personalized ads are now turned off. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.